Do you find yourself constantly saying yes to others, even when it drains you? If so, you might be falling into the trap of people-pleasing, and it could be costing you more than you realize. Welcome to Life Ladder. Whether you're looking to boost your career, improve your relationships, or simply achieve greater happiness, we're here to help you every step of the way. This video will show you how being a people-pleaser can hurt your mental health, and why it's important to set limits. Did you know that over 70% people have trouble saying no, which can make them feel stressed and unhappy? When you're trying to please everyone around you, it can be overwhelming. You take on too much and get overwhelmed, feeling like you're drowning in a sea of responsibilities. You might think you're doing the right thing by saying yes to every request, but in reality, you're setting yourself up for stress, anxiety, and ultimately, burnout. If you're stuck in a loop of negative thoughts right now, it's time to break free. You can explore strategies to cultivate a positive mindset and achieve the life you deserve on this video. Anyway, always wanting others to like you can make you feel bad about yourself. You might feel like you're never good enough, no matter how hard you try. If you try to make everyone happy, you won't be able to satisfy everyone. It's a never-ending cycle of disappointment and frustration. The pressure to please others can also lead to loss of identity. If you always try to be like someone else, you might forget who you really are. You might find yourself pretending to be someone you're not, just to get validation from others. And that's a recipe for disaster. You might think that people-pleasing is a necessary evil, that it's just part of being a good friend, family member, or colleague. But the truth is, people-pleasing is a toxic behavior that can have serious consequences for your mental health. And if you want to improve your emotional well-being, this video is made for you. Let's stop ignoring the problem and start making things better. People often try to please others because they're afraid of being left out or rejected. You might be afraid that if you say no to someone, they'll leave you or stop liking you. But the irony is that, by saying yes to everyone, you're actually abandoning yourself. You're putting everyone else's needs above your own, and that's a recipe for disaster. So, how do you break free from the cycle of people-pleasing? The first step is to recognize the signs that you're taking on too much. Are you constantly saying yes, even when you don't want to? Are you feeling anxious or stressed about meeting someone else's expectations? Do you feel like you're losing yourself in the process of trying to please others? Self-care is essential when it comes to overcoming people-pleasing. It's about taking care of your own needs, setting boundaries, and learning to say no. It's not selfish. It's necessary. When you take care of yourself, you're actually better equipped to show up for others in a meaningful way. For me, setting boundaries was a game changer. And this is why I recommend to watch this video, which can help you to understand how to break free from your routine and create habits that lead to success. I used to be a people pleaser, saying yes to every request, no matter how exhausting it was. But one day, I realized that I had to prioritize my own needs. I stopped doing things that didn't help me reach my goals, and it was a relief. I felt like I could finally breathe again. Setting limits isn't about being selfish or unkind. It's about being honest and true to yourself. When you set boundaries, you're actually showing respect for yourself and others. You're communicating your needs clearly and assertively, and that's a powerful thing. In conclusion, setting boundaries is crucial for your mental health. By recognizing the signs of people-pleasing and taking steps to prioritize your own needs, you can break free from the cycle of burnout and stress. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish. It's necessary. Setting limits can help you be a better friend and a better person. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. Have you struggled with people-pleasing? How did you overcome it? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on self-care and setting boundaries.